What is up? It's your boy, and you're bringing you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got an exciting one. Today I got a fun one. Today we're gonna do my everyday carry in my Tacoma. Now, a lot of people are interested in this type of video, so if you are, please leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription. Now, I will admit this, and I will say this is very beginner type stuff. So I don't have everything that I want, as I just purchased this truck and I'm building it up now. So let's go over the bare minimums that I keep in my truck. Going on to the inside of the truck, these are the most essential things that I use right here. So first, we got a flashlight. You never know when you're gonna need a flashlight. You know, your phone is one thing, but maybe it's dying and you need another source of light. It's always good to have that. Of course, a knife, you never know what you'll need it for. Also, an umbrella. This thing was like $3 at Walmart, so you know, consider it. And then a sun visor. These are awesome, especially in the summertime. You really need them. If you're camping, these will help out a ton. This and those will be linked in the description. If you're interested on how these are sticking up, it's actually just Velcro. So when I need it, I can pull it off, and then when I don't need it, I can just put it back. Super easy. A lot of people were super skeptical about this. They're like, oh, it won't work, it's not gonna hold up. At the very hottest this year, it was like 95, 96. It held up perfectly fine. It didn't come off at all. If you do it right, you'll do it fine, and it won't come off. I also have some Velcro on the back of my phone, and it just sits there. It works. Another one of my everyday carries is usually right here, and that's water. I usually keep water back here. I just recently took it out because I wanted to wash the containers. It seemed like it was getting a little bit stinky, so I took it out to wash it, but usually keep like 2 containers of water back here just in case. You never know. Of course, all Toyota Tacoma owners are gonna have this, but of course the truck jack. I do have other stuff that's coming in the mail, so I'll make an update to this, but I'm missing my air compressor and like flat fix type things, because maybe it's not you that has a flat, maybe it's somebody else, and well, it's always nice to have that on gear. So that's pretty much everything that I keep inside the truck. I'm sure I'm missing 1 or 2 things, but let's go into the back of the truck to show you guys the rest. This is my Toyota Tacoma's bed. Now, a lot of people judge my bed, a lot of people critique it, but other people praise it. So let's talk about what I got going on. I got the bed mat. This is a must. I try to go aftermarket. Let's just say that. It didn't work out. Go OEM, buy yourself a bed mat, best investment by far. Then I got myself some crates. Now I like to carry a bunch of junk, says Sandy, which is over there, but I like to keep it as organized as I can. That I think was solved by these crates. I know some people have like the bed deck thing that you can get. I'm not a fan of it. It takes up your whole bed, brings on a lot of weight. It's just not necessary for me. This is very minimalist. It's very conservative. It works. So I can put this inside my truck if I ever need the full bed, but this is more than fine. 1 bike, if I needed 2 bikes, would fit back here. Bringing this bad boy out. These are LEDs that I just recently installed, probably coming next video or the video after that. Now we got these. This is just a socket set. This has helped with a lot of things. It helped me remove the horrible door steps. It helped me remove down here the wind guard, and I'm sure they're gonna help me with a lot more things. This is a little bit more watertight, and I'll tell you why this is important to me here in a little bit. I got my tapes in here, black Sharpies, my bungee cords, and some zip ties. I also keep Velcro on deck at all times, just because you never know what you're gonna want to put on inside of there. There's a lot of stuff missing from inside, but again, in my next video of my everyday carry, I'll show you guys that. I just picked one of these up today. I'm thinking I'm gonna pick up like 2 more just to put them here. I like having them watertight, like no water getting inside, stopping rust and just nastiness from happening. Goes a long way. I have a tarp because there's been like 3 times where I've needed a tarp and didn't have a tarp. You never know if somebody's gonna ask you to move a couch, ask you to move a mattress, whatever the case may be, because as you know, if you have a truck, you're like the most amazing moving company that never gets paid in actual currency. Maybe a bagel from McDonald's. It may start to rain, and even though you're not getting paid, you still look out for the people's stuff, and the tarp is necessary always. Also, in here, this is what I'm talking about not being watertight. This isn't watertight. Now, I have some clamps in here. I have some string. This is also very important. I had a whole bunch of gear inside of here. Actually, it was on my last Tacoma, but it all got ruined because I guess water gets in there, it starts to corrode things, and well, it's not a good sight. So that I only keep stuff that can't get absolutely ruined. And there we go. So I have to order a bunch more stuff, things that I need in the truck. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.